Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make detox drinks. These drinks help reduce bloating, ease digestion, and reduce cravings. And it's a natural way to help achieve a flatter belly. We don't need a blender for this or an infusion bottle. It's really easy to make. I'm going to show you two recipes here. This one is citrus detox drink and the other one is the apple cider detox drink. The citrus detox drink helps reduce bloating, while the apple cider detox drink is good for reducing cravings. So now let's go and make it. For our citrus detox drink, we need orange, lemon, cucumber, and mint leaves. Make sure to wash them before using. Cut each ingredient into thin slices. Make it as thin as possible. Whoops! Okay, not like that. So thin, like this one here. We need about 3 slices, but you can add more if you want. Cucumber is a natural diuretic. It prevents water retention, so it helps reduce bloating. Next, we cut the orange. It adds a nice flavor and sweetness to the drink. I really love this. They taste great and are also full of vitamin C and antioxidants, which help boost your immune system. Look, so pretty and perfect. We also have our lemon here. We all know that lemon is a detox superstar. It has citric acid, which helps with digestion. So add the orange, lemon, and cucumber that we prepared into a jar or a glass bottle. And we also add the mint leaves as well. This one gives a really nice smell and adds that minty taste to it. Then add some cold water. You can add some ice, then put it in the fridge for at least an hour or so to make sure that the vitamins have infused into the water before you drink it. If you don't have time though, you can actually prepare it the night before and then store it in the fridge. Next one, we're going to make the apple cider detox drink. For this, we need apple cider vinegar, which is good for increasing the metabolism of our body. We also need lemon, ginger, mint leaves, and cinnamon powder. Cut the ginger into small slices like this. Some people, they don't like ginger, but with this drink, the ginger taste is not really that strong, so it should be all good. Ginger is good for you. It helps with enhancing calorie burn, and it also helps reduce the feelings of hunger. We're also going to slice some lemon for this one. Grab a glass or a bottle or a jar, and we're basically adding all the ingredients: the apple cider vinegar, slices of lemon, ginger, mint leaves, and sprinkle of cinnamon. Cinnamon is good for your body because it reduces sugar cravings by controlling your blood glucose level. Add H2O or cold water and ice. Give it a little mix. Now you can chill it in the fridge. It's been an hour, so it's time to try it. Yes, it's so refreshing. I love it. Hope you guys like it too. Please take note though that detox drink on its own won't lead to weight loss. You also need to exercise and reduce your calorie intake. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram for more content like this. See you guys later.